The Court of Appeal Abuja has declared Lawal Usman as the authentic candidate of the People's Democratic Party for the Kaduna Central Senatorial District. The Appellate Court also set aside a Federal High Court decision which ordered the rerun election that brought in Ibrahim Usman. Delivering judgment, the three-member panel led by Justice Peter Afen held that the lower court, which ordered the election rerun, had acted outside its jurisdiction by interfering with internal workings of a party. Maliki Duro has more.
A federal high court sitting in Kaduna had on 23rd May 2022 nullified an earlier primary election held and ordered a rerun within 14 days. Justice Omar of the Federal High Court Kaduna had delivered a judgment in favor of Ibrahim Usman, who challenged the victory of Lawal Usman in the PDP Kaduna Central Senatorial primary election. Ibrahim Usman had been declared as the winner of the People's Democratic Party rerun primary for Kaduna Central Senatorial District after pulling 210 of the valid votes cast.
We are happy with the outcome of the judgment. It is a job well done. The Court of Appeal agreed with our arguments that the lower court shouldn't have inquired into. The Court of Appeal today set aside the decision of the lower court, which went outside of its boundaries to inquire into the internal affairs of the party. The law is that courts are not allowed to inquire into the internal affairs of the party. That would be micromanaging the affairs of a political party. And for that, the Court of Appeal did not agree with the lower court and set aside that decision. Lawal Adamu Usman, who is the appellant, the court decision of the lower court was set aside, and the originating summons, which was filed by the first respondent in that matter at the lower court.
The judgment has reaffirmed the mandate given to Honorable Lawal Adamu Usman by the delegates on the 23rd of May 2022 during the Kaduna Central Senatorial District party primaries. And this mandate given by the delegate is in concurrence of the voice of the members of the PDP and as well as the choice of the people of Kaduna Central Senatorial District. So this outcome of the judgment is a victory to democracy, it's a victory to the people of Kaduna Central Senatorial District, and at the same time is the victory to the rule of law.
In the nullified primary, Lawal Usman pulled 99 votes against his closest rival, Ibrahim Usman, who pulled 84 votes.
Moving on, a federal high court sitting in Abuja has reportedly stopped the Department of State Services from arresting the governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Godwin Emefiele, over allegations bordering on acts of financing terrorism, fraudulent activities, and economic crimes of national security dimension. The DSS had reportedly filed a suit on December 7, 2022, seeking to arrest the CBN governor. Justice J.T. Chosho gave the ruling declining to grant the application for the governor's arrest on December 9, 2022. The suit, with reference number FHC ABJCS 2255-2022, at State Security Services as the applicant. Now, refusing to grant the DSS request, the judge said if applicant believes that the evidence available to it so far is sufficient, then it can as well arrest and detain applicant even without the order of the court. And if, however, the applicant desires to still pursue this application, then it should place the respondent on notice, considering the sensitive public office that he occupies.